Thank you, you too,
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
The song inaitwa Mashela. Yes, from the new EP ya kwake Juma Jux. Inaitwa Day to Remember. That's the name of the EP.
And this is the day to remember.
Of course, for sure. Yeah, sasa malizo mengia. Appreciate.
Shout out to one of Nigeria's finest producer and actor, the one, the only, Funke Akindele. Please put your hands together, make some noise for her. Auntie Funke, we see you. Of course, we also want to recognize the presence of the one, the only, one of the proud mother of today, Lola Alao. Mama! Shout out to her, we see you, ma.
Hello. Kwanza kabisa nashukuru sana kwa watu ambao mmekuja. Naona watu wamependeza sana sana.